In this video, we're diving into exploring the three main battery options we offer: the 50 ampere hour GL battery, the 100 ampere hour GL battery, and the 100 ampere hour LiPo battery. Most of our past clients have a 50 ampere hour GL battery because at the moment of the bike's manufacturing, it had the best functionality. Nowadays, we have in stock 100 ampere hour GL batteries for an affordable price. If you realize that you need a battery with higher capacity, you can easily order it. The 50 ampere hour GL battery delivers a solid 4 to 6 hours of power. 100 ampere hour GL battery delivers 8 to 10 hours of runtime. 100 ampere hour LiPo battery is the same as 100 ampere hour GEL battery in terms of performance. If your battery couldn't operate according to its specs, it means that the battery is running low on its resources. This can be due to the age of the battery or due to mishandling during the operations. You can help your battery with recovery mode on the charger. Leave the battery charging for the whole night. If this does not help, we recommend you change the battery.